This is Ray Hill with Wiley X. I'm here with Mark Davis in the Wiley X booth at ICAST 2016. Here to talk about some new products that we have that we're launching this year. First and foremost, I got the WX Boss. This is part of our climate control series that has our patented facial cavity seal. This is great for eliminating backlit glare, wind, dust, debris. It enhances your actual optics, so the polarization works at a better value for you as well. Instead of doing your little fish hook here. Actually removable too, which is our patent. So if you're skimming across the water, a lot of speed rolling up, you get a lot of wind swirling around your eye, this will actually seal out your eye, as Mark can attest to. Everything we do here at Wiley X, as most people know, is ANSI rated for high velocity, high impact protection. Also optical clarity, which is a big stress too as well. So prismatic, refractive power, seeing objects truly of what you're actually looking through the lens. So there's no distortion in layman's terms. Also the durability, which Mark can talk about too as well. So a lot of new styles. He's got the WX Omega, which is part of our active lifestyle series. Real lightweight, has a polarized emerald green mirror and an amber base too, which actually filters out blue light, lets you see that depth too as well.
These guys do their homework. So I'm a professional end user. I'm in saltwater. I'm in real harsh environments with real big, mean, nasty stuff that would just soon as, I pick a fight with it and it's probably going to try to destroy you any way it can. The neat thing about Wiley X, first and foremost to me, is it is eye protection. The ANSI rating he's talking about, let me just put it in layman terms. That means that nothing's going to go through it around it. It's just not just the frames, it's the lenses, it's the whole thing. These things are incredibly durable. I don't keep these in a case. I'll put them in my pocket. If I've got something going on deck and I stick a fish and I throw them on the deck, I don't worry about where they're at. I clean them and I put them back on. First and foremost, what brought me to Wiley X, sure, they've got great polarization, they've got wonderful frames, they've got new products. The facial cavity seal is the deal. You'll quit doing this when you're in the tower or when you're on the flats because it completely seals your eyes and it allows your eyes to do what the lens helps you do, which is see through the water and see what you're looking at. But at the end of the day, to me, it's the durability and the safety factor in saltwater because you just, as you know, the ocean's going to destroy it, whatever it is. And Wiley X's are the most durable because of that ANSI protection. Besides the impact lens and everything that they do to test it, as I said, it's the frames as well. So these guys do their homework. If you just look at what fits you like, what frames you like, what colors you like, whether you're cloudy days, sunny days, they come out with the products that work, the facial cavity seals, and of course the eye protection. It's saltwater, absolute essential gear. That's why I've been with Wiley X literally as long as they've been around and approached me, I think 8-9 years now.
Absolutely.
Yeah. So
10. Thank you, Mark. We got two new styles here. We've got even fashionable styles like our WX Hudson. Something like this, real nice street style, keyhole punch design. This is eye protection. You wouldn't think so looking at it. It's a very stylish frame, but it still offers the same exact protection as these other styles and everything that we offer. Only premium sunglass brand that offers that level of protection across the board in every style. Yeah, so you know you're protected with
the fishermen, you might have to explain it to them. You talk to a military guy, you talk to police guys, you talk to guys that are worried about projectiles on a regular basis like me. I actually had a situation where I had a high-speed trolling bait hit me and give me a black eye with these. Didn't do anything other than scratch the lens, and it was doing every bit of probably at least, I don't know, we were doing 10 knots, and it came out of the water, and all I heard was psst, and it hit me right dead in the eye and gave me a black eye with the facial cavity seal in there. Did not in any way, shape, or form do anything other than put a little teeny tiny scratch where I'm guessing either the hook, I mean, you could see me checking it. You know that happens on a regular basis. There's always kinds of things that are going to happen in saltwater that you want this portion of your face protected. So it does everything sunglasses are supposed to do, but it protects you like no other.
Get one set of eyes, protect them out there, folks.